The Hongqi brand, owned by FAW, has introduced the Hongqi H9 2024 sedan to the Chinese domestic market. Externally, this domestic analogue of the BMW 7 Series remained the same, but the content of the configurations changed. And the car got a little smarter. The Hongqi H9 2024 Qisi 1.0 got an infotainment system. It brought with it improved navigation, various travel services were integrated, and an optimized interface. The interface of the screen integrated into the rear armrest has also changed and has a child lock mode. An eye protection mode has appeared on the digital instrument panel and media system screen. Optimized lane keeping function. Finally, the lead-acid battery was replaced by an AGM battery. The interior lost the grey-white combination option, but the leather interior with red trim is now available not only for the top versions, but also for the most basic versions. The blue and gold colors have disappeared from the exterior design, but the silver and accent color appeared, almost like the Mercedes Maybach S600 Black Silver GT Spirit. The H9 has either a 2-liter turbocharged gasoline engine plus a 48-volt mild hybrid system with 185 kilowatts, 252 horsepower, or a 3-cylinder with 208 kilowatts, 283 horsepower. It is equipped with a liter compressor gasoline engine. Both variants have rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission. 20-inch wheels, airbags, LED optics with high-beam control system, digital instrument panel, LCD media system and navigation, leather interior, electrically adjustable heated seats with massage, all-round camera with parking sensors, keyless entry, driver fatigue monitoring system, etc. Steel cell style bodywork ensures stable running in the toughest places. The unique 9H ultra-strong lattice-type design and 67.7% high-strength steel greatly increase the safety of the body and firmly guarantee safe driving. Large-sized high-definition WHUD and wide-angle hi-fi streaming media rearview mirror at any time and provides 5-fold vision and overall protection, ensuring a worry-free driving experience everywhere.Hongqi's exclusive welcome lighting fully shows new elegance unique in the segment. The entire welcome lighting system provides an unparalleled premium experience. When the car is unlocked, the Dream Wing key light turns on and the Hongqi Wing illuminated welcome light turns off. A polite and courteous experience naturally appeals to every consumer.